So as you can see guys, here is my WhatsApp button to my Facebook page. In this video, I will show you how to add WhatsApp button to Facebook page. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this three dot at the top right side, this menu. So tap on this arrow to switch to your Facebook account or Facebook page. So as you can see, here is my Facebook page. I already selected my Facebook page, so tap on it. After you select your Facebook page, all you have to do is just tap on this back arrow to go back. So scroll all the way to down, tap on this settings and privacy. So tap on these settings. Under the settings, tap on this link account. So tap on this WhatsApp. So as you can see here, it says connect WhatsApp to Facebook. So all you have to do is just tap on this section to select your country code. So select your country code. After you select your country code, type in your WhatsApp phone number in this section. So I already did type in my WhatsApp phone number. So after you finish typing your WhatsApp phone number, all you have to do is just tap on this section, send code to WhatsApp. So tap on it. So now is to send me a code to my WhatsApp. So I'll just go and check the code on my WhatsApp. So as you can see, here is the code now. As you can see, it says Facebook business. So open the chat. So here is the code. I'll just tap and copy the code now. So as you can see, here is the code 333 and 53. So I'll just type in the code 33353. So as you can see here, it says your account are connected. Tap on this done. So as you can see here, it says add WhatsApp button to Facebook page. So tap on it. So now I connected my WhatsApp to Facebook. So tap on this, go back. So now I'll just open my Facebook page profile. So tap on this three dot, tap on it. Tap on this view as. So as you can see guys, here is my WhatsApp button to my Facebook page. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and ask questions in the comments. Thank you for watching.